Study Career. Let us start with July 8th current affairs. Firstly, which toll-free number has been set up by Karnataka government to lodge complaints about hospital refusing to accept suspected coronavirus cases? It is 1912. The patients can call 1912. It is a 24 by 7 helpline number. Whoever calls the number will get immediate relief. CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa, Governor Vajubhai Rudhabhai Wala, Karnataka capital Bangalore. Next, New Zealand cancels 2021 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this summit to be held in Auckland, New Zealand. The 2019 leaders meeting was cancelled by Chile due to violent anti-government protest, and the virtual Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation meeting of 2020 is being hosted by Malaysia. Motto is optimizing human potential towards a future of shared prosperity. This Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Forum, established in 1989, has become a preeminent economic forum in Asia Pacific region. Its primary purpose is to promote sustainable economic growth and prosperity in the Asia Pacific region. Next, SOLV partners with Standard Chartered Accounts to launch credit cards for micro, small, medium enterprises. The SOLV Micro Small Medium Enterprises Credit Card provides business owners with a ready means to meet ongoing business expenses, including supplier payments, fuel, logistics, purchase of raw material, utility payments, and working capital outlays. The SOLV platform will help small business trade goods with each other and expand their customers base across India. Next, researchers at the IIT Gandhinagar have developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning tool for detecting of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images. The online tool, which indicates the probability of if a person is infected with COVID-19, can be used for quick preliminary diagnosis before the medical test. It is being tested by the Indian Institute of Medical Health. Next, who has been appointed as the first chairman of the International Finance Service Center Authority? He is Injati Srinivas. He was also a ex-IAS officer. Next, global pharmaceutical company Mylan NV was given approval by the Drug Controller General of India for the launch of its generic version of Gilead Sciences Remdesivir drug for the treatment of COVID-19 positive patients in India. Mylan NV is currently the second largest company in the world for manufacturing of generic and specialty pharmaceuticals. Next, on the occasion of completion of 100 years of participation of Indian athletes at the Olympic Games, the Indian Olympic Association has adopted a new branding and visual identity on 6th July 2020. The new branding and visual identity also includes an institutional and commercial logo of the Indian Olympic Association. The new logos will mark the contribution of the Indian athletes from across the country. Passionate work of these athletes over the period of last 100 years have today helped in building a Team India under the Indian Olympic Association. The new institutional and commercial logo have been approved by the International Olympic Committee. The Indian Olympic Association has planned to conduct a special event for the launch of new logos on the Independence Day on 15th August 2020. Next, with state government to reserve 75% jobs with less than 50,000 salary in the private sector of the state for locals. It is Haryana. The growing rate of unemployment in the state on the priority basis under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar. The Haryana Cabinet on 6th July 2020 has approved a proposal for drafting an ordinance under which 75% of the jobs with a salary of less than 50,000 rupees per month will be reserved for the locals of Haryana in the state. In the month of June 2020, Haryana had the highest unemployment rate among all the states in the country. The unemployment rate in June 2020 was 33.6%. The proposed draft ordinance is named Haryana State Employment of Locals Candidate Ordinance 2020. Next, which state government has launched document scanning app First Plasma Bank for COVID-19 patients? It is West Bengal. Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Self-scan app launched by Mamata Banerjee. Following The ban of 59 Chinese mobile application by the central government on 29th June 2020, the West Bengal State Information Technology Development has developed a mobile application that will serve as a better alternative for much more popular Chinese document scanning application, CAM Scanner. Next, on 6th July 2020, from Central Israel, Palmachin Airbus Israel has successfully launched its intelligence satellite OFK-16 into the low Earth orbit. This is the 12th satellite launched by Israel under its OFK family of satellites. The OFK-16 satellite was launched as a payload of the rockets Savit 2. Next, world's second largest Tier 4 designed data center NM1 inaugurated at Navi Mumbai. The NM1 data center has been developed by Yota Infrastructure Solutions LLP, a subsidiary of Hiranandani Groups. A total of 5 data center building will be developed at a Panvel data center park by Yota Infrastructure. The NM1 is the first of the 5 such buildings. The 5 buildings at the Panvel data center park will be spread in over 18 acres of land. Next, MyLab launches India's first mission to automate the manual process of molecular diagnostics test. Pune-based molecular biology company MyLab Discover Solution Private Limited has launched a cartridge-based machine named Compact XL on 7th July 2020 that will be able to test and handle multiple samples at the same time. The machine will reduce the need for laboratory technicians for handling a test samples to one, as an individual will be able to operate the machine. This automated system will be able to handle samples of RNA, DNA based test, RT-PCR test, plasma tissues. A total of 32 samples can be handled and tested by the machine in an hour. This machine is priced at 40 lakhs. That's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest job updates and current affairs. Jai Hind.